Welcome back to 1200 plus PYQ series of CSIR Net. This question was asked in Net June 2017. Okay, the question is based on nuclear physics and the question says that the range of the nuclear force between two nucleon is due to exchange of pion. Okay, exchange of pion is 1.40 femtometer. You must be knowing a fact that nuclear force nuclear force arises due to exchange of particles between them, and that particles are basically mesons. Okay, that particles are basically mesons. So here what is it is the question is saying, the question is saying the force which is arising due to exchange of pion is a meson. Okay, and this range of force is 1.40 femtometer. Okay, now if the mass of pion is 140 mega electron volt per c square and the mass of rho meson is 770 mega electron volt per c square, then the range of force due to exchange of rho meson is dash. Okay, so means for the exchange of pi meson, the range is coming 1.40 femtometer, and it is given that the mass of pion is 140 MeV per c square. So the question is asking if for pion we are getting 1.40 femtometer, then for rho meson which is having a mass of 770 MeV per c square, what should be the range of force? You are given with four options. The options are 1.40 femtometer, 7.70 femtometer, 0.25 femtometer, and 0.18 femtometer. You must be knowing a fact that the range of nuclear force is inversely proportional to the mass of the mediator meson, that is the meson that is being exchanged between the two nucleon. Okay, this nuclear force is depending upon the mass of that mediator meson by inverse law. Okay, that is the range of this meson is inversely proportional to the mass. For pi meson, the range is inversely proportional to mass of pion. For rho meson, we can write that the range of rho meson proportional to 1 by mass of rho. Okay. Now, in the question, the data we are given with is the range of pi meson is equal to 1.40 femtometer. The mass of pi meson is equals to 140 MeV per c square, and the mass of rho meson is equals to 770 MeV per c square. Okay, so what we will do now? We will simply divide the range of pi meson by a range of rho meson. Okay, since it is inversely proportional, so we are getting range of pi by range of rho is equals to mass of rho by mass of pi. Now we will put the value of mass of rho and mass of pi. Okay, we will put the value of mass of pi meson, that is 140 MeV per c square, and we will put the value of mass of rho meson, that is 770 MeV per c square. So range pi by range rho is equals to m rho by m pi, which is equals to 770 by 140. Okay, you divide it and you are getting 11 by 2. Okay, you are getting 11 by 2. Now in the question we have to find the range of this force due to exchange of rho meson. So we have to find range of rho. So range of rho is equals to 2 by 11 multiplied with range of pi. How did we got this? By simply cross multiplying. Range of pi multiplied with 2 is equals to range of rho multiplied with 11. Hence range of rho is equals to 2 by 11 multiplied with range of pi. So 2 by 11 multiplied with 1.40 femtometer, which is equals to 0.25 femtometer. Okay, in the CSIR net exam you will be having the virtual calculator on your screen. So in that calculator you can simply put these values and find the answer. Okay, So if you are finding this video helpful, then check this playlist. This playlist is going to contain 1200 plus PYQ series. Okay, thank you and subscribe my channel.